Before you turn in your exported PNGs, we want to make sure that the spelling is correct. I've seen a lot of different misspelled words, and we do have under Edit a check spelling. If you just run check spelling, but some of your text is hidden, it will tell you that because it can only check text layers that are switched on, even if you can't see them all. So if I turn on or switch on my intro, and then the one above it, places and animals and food, now all the text layers are visible. And you can see that they're visible because there's an I next to the T text layer that has the word food. So even though we can't see them all at the same time, they are switched on. Now when I go to Edit and check spelling, it's going to check all the text layers. It doesn't know my name, not unusual, it's okay. Just say ignore if you know for sure that it is spelled correctly. The next one it found is animals. Oh, I'm missing the A in animals. So really look at that. Don't add anything to the dictionary. Don't ignore things until you know for sure, oh, that's my name, or for some reason it says it's wrong, but it isn't. But here I'm going to change it to the suggestion of animals with an A, and then spell check is complete. And sure enough, now animals is spelled correctly. Make sure after you do that that you do save your Photoshop file so that your corrections have been changed. And then exporting these, you'll get each one of those, and we won't have words like favorite misspelled in our titles. Nothing worse than getting your whole video exported and done and on your website, and then you realize you misspelled a simple word.